David Morgan, a name that is now synonymous with success in the real estate industry. But it wasn't always this way. Born into poverty, David faced numerous challenges from an early age. However, he possessed an unwavering spirit and an insatiable hunger for financial independence. Hey there, finance enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into inspiring success stories and share valuable lessons for financial growth. In today's episode, we have an incredible tale of resilience and determination. We'll be uncovering the journey of David Morgan, who transformed his childhood poverty into a real estate tycoon worth billions of dollars. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Growing up, David's friendships played a crucial role in shaping his journey. Let's introduce you to his four closest friends who supported him through thick and thin: Mark, Sarah, Alex, and Lisa. Together, they dreamt of conquering the world of finance. Late teens, David and his friends pooled their limited savings and invested in a small property. The risks were high, and the odds seemed stacked against them, but their determination knew no bounds. Fortunately, their early investment didn't yield the expected profits, leading to a significant setback. This downturn strained their friendships, testing their resolve and commitment to the business. Amidst the turmoil, David faced further challenges within his own family. His relatives doubted his abilities and criticized his pursuit of financial success. Despite the emotional toll, David chose to stay focused on his dreams, determined to prove them wrong. Undeterred by past failures, David and his friends decided to take a different approach. They started learning from experienced mentors, attending seminars, and devouring every book on real estate they could find. Armed with newfound knowledge, David and his friends re-entered the market with renewed vigor. This time, their investments began to pay off, leading to substantial profits and increased net worth. As their portfolio expanded, David and his friends built a thriving real estate empire, aptly named Horizon Properties. Their impeccable business acumen and ability to spot lucrative opportunities propelled them to unimaginable heights. David's story is a testament to the fact that setbacks and challenges are merely stepping stones on the path to success. He and his friends turned their childhood poverty into a billion-dollar empire by never giving up and by continually learning from their mistakes. As we conclude this inspiring journey, let's reflect on some valuable lessons we can learn from David Morgan's story. Persistence. No matter the setbacks, stay persistent in pursuing your dreams. Surround yourself with supportive friends. Having a strong support system can help you overcome obstacles and stay motivated. Continuous learning, education, and personal growth are key factors in achieving financial success. Ignore the naysayers, believe in yourself even when others doubt you, and use criticism as fuel for your determination. Remember, success is not limited to those born with silver spoons. It's the result of dedication, hard work, and an unwavering belief in one's abilities. That wraps up today's video, folks. If you enjoyed this inspiring journey of David Morgan, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more incredible stories. And as always, if you have any success stories you'd like us to feature or any topic suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay motivated and keep chasing your dreams.